is exactly, the way they turn on. For example, right now I have the burning seizures, all around my back. And it's on. And it's almost going to be 2 minutes. They don't turn it off. Let's see. They change the pattern quickly. They turn off the microwave. Now they turn on the EMF. Let's see how long this will go on. And right now there's just like a painful seizure in my body. And I feel it. And it's burning. You see? They turn it off. They quickly turn it off. You see? Cowards. Zionist cowards. Yeah, boy, that's it, It's just like, it's become my routine, Get hit, and as you turn on the detector, they turn it off quickly. I mean, normally it's just, 28 or below, but as you saw, in the view, it goes, Now, for example, okay, let's check. Look. And as I start recording, they quickly turned off. You see? They quickly turned off. Because they don't want to be on the camera. They don't want to be exposed. They don't want to have their chemtrails or the trails, to be found, where they're launching it from. But eventually we're going to find out, there could be some kind of application developed to track the exact location where it's coming from, okay? I mean, the first thing they do is just turn on the microwave, okay? You have this cursor, crawling over your body, and then you're just like, you're feeling a little uncomfortable, but it's a purpose, there's no any insect, on your body. It's just like this microwave bits, which is being, like hit, or they want to just like broadcast into your body, okay? You just have, they want to just find out, each part of your body they want to target, and then eventually, as you turn this on, then they, for example, as you turn this EMF detector on, they just hit me now. It's so quick, it's just like one glance, At one glance you see it's just like almost 200 range. And then it quickly goes to 25 or below. And when you turn this on, then they turn on the microwave, which is the sound system, the infrasound system. And when you turn that on, then they quickly shut both down, I'm thinking that maybe there's a possibility of laser cameras, which might be with them, or they could see through our eyes, through our eyes. And, what am I doing right now is just like editing, just doing my regular work, okay? And they keep just touching me, which I even told them I don't like touching, don't touch me. I don't like it. I don't like it, okay? Don't do that. But they do it. And anytime, any hour, you just have this little bit of a glance, at your cell phone or whatever that you have at the device. They turn it off. It's just like our eyes are being hacked like a camera. And what I do is just like sing them perp songs, perp jokes, because I can't really find any better way to respond to hate. They're trying to play with us, just like Tom and Jerry, la 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 la. It's just like it's insane. But you saw that, And the other thing that they do is that's really important to to put our concentration on is just like they shoot the chemtrails very smartly through any little amount of space that you have in your door or the little amount of space you have in your window. You just shoot it. And the perps are told, for example, the perps, who are like all the time, like a chicken pecking on their pods of, like peas, whatever you give them, They're told, to smoke in front of you because when you're a TI, you don't like smoking. Most of TIs don't. For example, me, I don't like smoking. But, and the dean's like, here, these weapons do not exist because we are the brothers with the, Masonic, supersonic, Victoria's Secret, we're just brothers with them. But it's like all the time, the whole time, anywhere I go, any place, they're just like reaching there, mapping you, and then trying to find your location, and try to launch those bits or whatever radiation they have at you, and send their perps as well, who are mind controlled, like peek, 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 go there, that place, cell phones on, they're running, and they're just lost, and then they look at you, and you look at them, when you're in the car, in the bus, or in the train, and they look at you, and then they start taking your pictures, and then you start taking their pictures, and then they're getting offended, I've done it so many times, that's why perps are so much sick of it. Because you re-perp them in a fun way, not just in a pathetic way, just kind of like avenging, but just do it in a fun way. Just respond them back, their hate, whatever. And as you have your camera, they run away like oogie cockroaches, fast as possible. Because, Lord, these people don't have life. They don't have life, If they did, they would have gone after what really mattered to them then. You.
They're not aware of their crimes. We know. We're just not ready to act. The storm isn't in the air. It's inside of us.